Good morning, guys. Welcome to the virtual lesson on inequality. What you see here is the agenda for today. It is a lesson on inequality, and you see the content objectives and language objectives listed for our class today. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit and then talk to you about the step-by-step instructions that you need to follow to complete this lesson today. And it also says here to check off these steps as you complete them. So what I mean by that is as you finish each part, make sure to put a check here so you know for sure you've done those parts. The first part is the introductory video, which you're listening to right now. And this will summarize what we're going to do today. Part 2 is your warm-up. You're going to start the class with a warm-up, which is the Google Doc that's linked here. When you click on this, you will go to the warm-up, which is a one-question warm-up. And you're going to take about 2 minutes to complete that warm-up. And then after 2 minutes, you're going to talk to your elbow partner or partners about your solution. And then you can click on this link, which is also another Google Doc, which explains the solution to the warm-up problem. And as you've finished warm-up, make sure to check right here. And then you're going to go on to part 3, which is a lesson. It is a video lesson. It is a lesson on inequalities. This video is about 9 minutes long. There is one thing that you need to remember about watching these videos, the first one, and there is another video for the answers to your work. Before you watch these videos, make sure to go to YouTube because it might throw an error when you click on this link and say it cannot play the video. What you need to do is disable the safety mode. For that, you need to go to YouTube. And you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says safety on. I hope you can see that. Probably not. I'm trying to see how I can make you. Okay, if you go down all the way to a YouTube video, there will be something called safety and it will be on. You have to click on it and say safety off. It's a drop-down menu. When you click on off, it will be turned off. And then watch the video for 9 minutes. And then you're going to work on your Encore workbook. And you're going to work on page 69 and 70 in your workbook for about 12 minutes. Okay? And after 12 minutes, you are going to go over the answers, meaning you're going to click on this video, which goes over the answers step by step. But before you watch that video, I put in a little note here. This note says, in page 70, there is an error in the answers video. If you spot it, make sure to keep it to yourself. Don't react to it, okay? Because I want to have a discussion about it after I come back to the class today. So do not react to the error as you watch the video, or don't talk to your neighbor about it. Just hold on to it, and we'll talk about it after I come back to the classroom. It is each of your responsibility to spot the error. And then after you finish that, make sure to check it off here. And then go on to part 4, which talks about the answers to page 69 and 70 in your workbook. And that is also a 9-minute video. So watch that and check your answers as you're watching the video. And then I'm going to scroll down at about 9:05. That's what it says right here. Sign into the chat at 9:05 a.m. So at 9:05 a.m., make sure to go to your Moodle page and click on one of the 2 links. The first link would say, there is a little chat box enabled. The first link will say Ms. Kanti's discussion group, and the other one would say Ms. Lakshmi's discussion chat. So if you notice, we've divided the class into 2. If your name is under Ms. Kanti's discussion chat, please click on the link that says Ms. Kanti's discussion chat. If your name is listed under my name, make sure to click on the link that says Ms. Lakshmi's discussion chat. And yes, all of you are expected to post at least one chat message. And I want to see the discussion happening. So you will sign in at 9:05. So if you are in Ms. Kanti's chat group, you will click on the first link. And if you are in my chat group, you will click on the second chat link. And we will do that for about like 15 minutes or 10 minutes actually. We will do that for 10 minutes. And then you're going to go on to part 6, which is an exit ticket, which is a Google Doc. You're going to click on that, and then it's going to pop up 2 questions on inequalities, and you're going to solve it. And that should take no more than 4 minutes. Okay? And then we end the class with a homework, which is from the workbook, page 72, practice problems 1 through 7. All right? And by this time, I think I should be back in the classroom. See you guys in person. Bye.